Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go can't add friends. So if you're having issue adding friends, then there might be some bugs in your app. So even though if you're logged in and then you are logged in or you've connected your social media accounts and you're still having issues adding them, or if your invite doesn't work, or if you have such issues, then there might be some technical bugs on your app. So what you can do, you can simply look for any updates. So maybe a simple update might fix this. So you can just go to your Play Store and then look for any updates. If there is any, then just update your app. That might easily solve the issue. Or else what you can do, you can also go to your app settings. So if you go to your Monopoly app settings, so if you go to your settings and look and search for your Monopoly app settings, so somewhere here, so where you get to these app informations and stuff. So here, if you go to storage, and what you can do now here is you just have to clear your cache. So try to clear your cache and then relaunch the app. So restart the app, and then that should fix the issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.